The top 3 foods to avoid for fast weight loss. 1. Sugary beverages. The first food to avoid is sugary beverages such as soda, sports drinks, and fruit juice. These drinks are loaded with sugar and calories, and can quickly add up and derail your weight loss goals. Instead, opt for water or unsweetened drinks to quench your thirst. 2. Processed snacks. The second food to avoid is processed snacks such as chips, crackers, and cookies. These snacks are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. Instead, choose healthier snack options like fresh fruit, nuts, or veggies and hummus. 3. Fast food. The third food to avoid is fast food. Not only are these meals often high in calories, but they're also low in nutrients. If you're short on time, try meal prepping or grabbing a healthier option from a restaurant instead. By avoiding these 3 foods, you'll be able to achieve your weight loss goals faster and see better results.